mashallah. This girl looks so cute today. Hi guys, how you doing? Karibu sana to my channel. My name is Faith. Here's Koki's Kitchen, a channel where we make various African delicacies at a budget-friendly account. We want us to be better cooks at the comfort of our homes. And guys, hallelujah. Oh God, just forgive me because I just feel so cute. I know. Thank you. Right away on our today's recipe, guys, as you have seen on the headlines, on the title, we are going to be making mukimo, one of the most requested video again, guys. Thank you so much for your continued support. So right away, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's make the mukimo. And so for our first step, guys, with me here, I have my potatoes. Let me just show you. Here are my potatoes. I have already peeled them. Then we are going to boil them, but we are going to add salt because we want the potatoes to cook nicely so that the flavor of the salt can incorporate nicely. So there's our salt. Just add enough salt. Let me add some. Then finally we are going to add in water and let our potatoes to boil for around 15 minutes, then we shall be back. So guys, let's check on our potatoes, and they look done already, as you have seen. So we are just going to drain this water and head to the next step. So the next step with me here, guys, I have seveve. In English they are known as pumpkin leaves, and I have already boiled them. The next step, we are going to just blend it here because we want to obtain a smooth mixture. So I'm just going to add it in here. Finally, we are done. Guys, I hope you can see how the mixture looks really nice and smooth. So let's get into the next step, guys. So far we are doing good. The next step, we are going to cook our onions. Just adding some cooking oil and add in your onions. If you have spring onions, the better. Right, this looks good, okay? Yeah. So guys, remember our potatoes. This is now the point. We are going to bring our potatoes and we are going to now reduce the heat over here. Then we now want to start to mash our potatoes, right? Let's mash our potatoes. So can you tell me, do you prefer a potato masher or a mwiko? I think I'm going to use both. And the next thing, guys, we are going to add our blended seveve, or rather blended pumpkin leaves, okay? So this is the one that's going to give us a nice color. Okay, so I'm just then you know there is no mukimo without boiled maize. So next I am going to add in my boiled maize over here, just a little like that, and mix it nicely. amazing, guys. I love this. And finally, we are going to add in our onions that we had cooked. So, yo, look at that. And as simple as that, you have your mukimo. And by the way, guys, if you don't have the pumpkin leaves, the seveve, you can also use this minji. Also works really nicely. Yeah. And so, guys, basically that is just it for our mukimo recipe. And we are done with the recipe, guys. The food is here. Oh my god, it looks cute. Oh, someone has joined me in here. Say hi.
Hi, my name is Patience.
And what are you doing here? What do you want to do?
Yes?
What do you want to do? What do you want to do here?
I eat.
Yay! She wants to eat. Anyway, guys, she's going to give the reviews over here today. So, oh la la, you guys, can you see that? That's a mukimo. Okay, so I'm just going to give her the opportunity. Okay, should I start or yeah? Do the honors, my dear. Have a bite.
I tell you, it's very smart, sweet, yummy.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. That's my younger sister, as you have seen. The food is delicious. You can just tell. I mean, you guys. Umesema imeweza? Anyway, guys, it's not fair. I wish you guys were here. Anyway, because you're not here, that's why I've done the recipe for you guys, because I also want you to enjoy with your loved ones at home. I hope you've loved the recipe. You're gonna try it and can't wait for your feedback. So guys, till next time, from me to you guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.